inspired to give a speech on Independence Day. The Independence Day is full of joy and pride for all Indians. The Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15 August. This is the day as a remark of an independent nation. British came to India and they ruled 200 years in our India. We have completed 77 as an independent nation. In this day, the all Indians celebrate, salute the heroes like Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru, freedom fighter Savarkar, who many of them had sacrificed their lives to make India as an independent. In this day, the Delhi is main staging area where the national flag hosted by Prime Minister. Then the Prime Minister give a speech and note our country future. In this event, which synchronized 21 honorary gunship. This honor to represent all freedom fighters to make a country future. What is meant by independence? The independence means freedom. Means nation provide us opportunity in whatever field we have chosen and do our best, and that is the great nation prosper. But in this Independence Day, what we achieve, what we needing a particular system, and what we needing a economical growth or ethical nation, it's time to ask for everyone. Let's think a different or unique idea. In this independence, the nation first, always first. It's toward the self-reliant India. In front of me, the youth is present. So I tell you, youth has a potential and the build a country as a developed country. Thank you.